So for a pretty damn long time, I've been wanting to get some AirPods of my own, and ta-da, look at these. The new AirPods Pros Generation 2. So let's get straight to it and open these up. Dude, look at that. That is so cool. I realized they have a little, whatever that is there. They don't have that in the first generation. That's a difference. Wow, check that out. And the big reveal. Wow. These are nice. Look at that. Oh wait, we even get a charger with that? Wow, that is actually pretty nice. Yeah, and then we got these. Oh yeah, there you go, extra small. So I guess these are medium over there and a large. So we got these as well. Wow, the packaging is amazing. The unboxing experience is great. So let's pair these and do a quick little sound test, and I'll be back with you shortly. Wow, now that was phenomenal. That was amazing. Wow. I mean, the bass, the tremble, the noise cancellation, just impeccable. I mean, this is like music audio heaven. I mean, like, this is like, seriously, wow. I've never seen anything like this, never experienced some audio quality in this way, seriously. At first I was skeptical, but it's totally worth it. 240 bucks, very, very worth it investment. If you want to experience something like this, hell yeah, get these. Especially if you're going to the gym and you need some motivation, bam, cop these. Finally bought them and I'm super happy about it. Now, to compare to AirPods, yeah, there's nothing to even compare. AirPods are trash. They're absolute garbage if you compare them to this. The AirPods Pros, the first generation, I mean, they are good. They're great. I mean, they are great, yes, of course. But this is just on a whole nother level. I am seriously amazed. This is just great. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this maybe helped you make a decision or whether to purchase or not, or just, you know, to create an opinion or whatever. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.